हरे ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। अनंत श्री विभूषित शिवयति महासक्त कुलाधीश्वर सक्तानंद परमहंस परम पूज्य श्री 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 भैरवानंद महास्वामिने नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। Hi, this is Sarvana Kumar and we shall know about Devi Kilaka Stotra in today's talk. Devi Kilaka Stotra. Om Namaschandikayai. Katyayani Tantra says that in the age of Kali Yuga, most of the stotras, most of the mantras, fearing they could be abused, are locked by rishis like Vyasa and Parshurama and are made ineffective from outside. Hence, these stotras need to be unlocked by the procedure mentioned in the Utkilana Vidhana of that particular stotra. Mahadeva, who is the Rishi to this Kelaka Stotra, locked the energy or powers of Devi Mahatmya, and only those who know how to unlock would be blessed with all the benefits that this great power has to offer. The crux of this stotra is the 8th verse. Dadati pratigrahnati nanyadhaisha prasidati itham rupena kilena mahadevena kilitam. One, while meditating on the conscious form of Devi during recitation of Devi Mahatmya, should give oneself in surrender to her lotus feet and receive in return her grace when her grace is awakened. Otherwise, she, the Holy Mother, is not pleased by mechanical recitation of Devi Mahatmyam, which is bereft of devotion and worship. Kilaka or unlock happens as mentioned by Siva or Mahadeva when the reader gives everything to Mother and receives it back as prasada from the Holy Mother. Sadhakas of Chandi or Devi Mahatmya have this practice of sacrificing everything they have got at the holy feet of the Mother and not taking anything coming out of mundane world arising out of transaction. Sapodhara and Utkilana procedures are mentioned and need to be followed as prescribed for unlocking the true powers. These mantras are to be chanted for certain times as indicated in texts or suggested by Guru. Also, that it would be beneficial to read or start reading on 8th or 14th day of the darker phase of the moon. Stotra also secretively says that by adding Swaha at the end of each mantra, and those who do such a Swahanta Parayana of entire 700 verses of Devi Mahatmya, Shiva would be propitiated and would bless the sadhaka by unlocking the powers. Some more Parayana forms will be shared in the coming chapters. Varahi Tantra claims that one can give Diksha only after completing or knowing fully how to unlock the powers of Devi Mahatmya or completing Purascharana of either Chandi or Saptasati. Smriti and Dharmasastra say that receiving anything from anyone results in bearing a dosha called parigrahana dosha or sin by receiving and thereby accumulate karma. It can be both good and bad as a result of accepting. The famous injection or the famous Vedic saying speaking about sannyasis or those who have renounced everything gives us an indicator to this. Tyage naike amrutatva manashuhu. Only by sacrifice one attains immortality. Kelaka Stotra echoes this aspect. Also, to bring to the light here that many mantras have got Kilaka Bijas clearly mentioned in their Nyasa and Purascharana Vidhi. Such mantras will yield results only when Kilaka or the lock is removed. There are some mantras which do not have Kilaka mentioned, meaning that the power of the mantra is unlocked and is readily available for the eligible to ascertain the power of mantra for a greater good. Those who have been practicing mantras should know this fact and keep the Kilaka procedure in mind. Authentic books like Matsyendra Samhita, Prapanchasara, Purascharyanava, Ahirbudhniya Samhita, etc. gives Sarvamantra Utkilana or procedures of unlocking the powers of mantra. Thank you. Sri Matre Namaha.